And good morning, everyone. Thank you very, very much for dropping into the webinar. What we're going to be discussing this morning for a short period of time are some of the new RAB products that Cooper is stocking at your CDC. What RAB has done is gone to your different vendors, and what we have done is we have made a very competitive pricing on all the kinds of items that we're going to be reviewing today. So to show these prices, you have to go to the Cooper website and pull up each individual item, and you will be able to see the very, very competitive pricing levels that we have come down to on all of these basic items. Still with the RAB quality, still with the RAB distribution system in place, and still with the sales support that you get from all the reps at the different agencies. So now I'd like to start, and as you see, my name is Barry Felsenberg, and as I said, thank you very much. Now we're going to go actually into the presentation, so we're all set. Good. What we're really happy to do is, as RAB has always done, is make a partnership between you, the customer, and we've done a lot of things to try and help you build your business and to close more sales. We're here to show energy savings to your customers. We can get samples to your customers, and having a dedicated sales rep to your organization to actually go out and help your technical salespeople with the products that we're selling to them. So to start the presentation, what we have done is we have brought in a couple of floodlights, both residential and commercial. So as you can see on this first fixture here, this is our Leslie series. They come as single units, and they come in 4 different colors: bronze, white, black, and a verde green. And you can buy them as tandems also. Very nice features in that they have swivel arms in here, so you can adjust the angle to wherever you would like them. These are fully sealed. A 13-watt fixture will actually replace a 75-watt halogen flood, so you can see the tremendous energy savings that these things have. These also have a 60,000-hour life and a par flood 2,000 to 3,000 hours of life. So you're reducing your energy consumption, and you're greatly reducing your maintaining your light output by your maintenance of the lamps. We also have made this into a kit where we actually put one of our sensors on here. We call it the SMS Leslie. So it has all the same great features as the RAB sensors have always had. You have bypass features. It has a built-in photo cell, so it doesn't come on during the day. So these are great as a retail item for residential customers over your counters. But if you want to take it to the next step, because it's a very thin profile, you can actually use these in a commercial setting. You can put them on a little ground post and light up signs outside a corporate center, outside a community center, any place that there's a low-hanging sign. These are fully sealed. They're very heavy aluminum, so they'll take rocks hitting them from a lawnmower or a weed whacker. Again, because it's fully sealed, water's not going to get into them. You can also put them above a sign without the cord hanging in the way, and you can put them on a little nipple and have them come out and light your signs from above or from below, because again, they're fully sealed. So again, great thinking out of the box, commercial and residential use. Then we've also come out with super high efficiency economy floodlight fixtures. We call them the PIP series, and we go from a 15 watt, 20 watt, 30, 45 watt, 70 watt, all the way up to 100 watt, which of course is going to be a bigger version of this. To show you the energy savings, a 100 watt PIP fixture will actually replace a 400 watt metal halide fixture. These, again, are DLC approved, so in case you have any utility companies offering rebates, these are fully available for the rebates. These actually are a little bit more energy efficient. These will actually give you 150 lumens per watt, so you can see why a 100 watt PIP fixture will replace a 400 watt metal halide. These have a 60,000 hour life, and again, Still getting the quality of a RAB fixture, but for very, very economical prices. So again, please check your Cooper website and you'll see how very well competitively priced these RAB items are. You can see it's the same technology as the air flow-through technology, keeping the fixtures cool. And again, these also have a wonderful 5-year warranty on them. People want to maintain the look of the traditional wall pack fixtures. Good. In case they want to replace 1 or 2 fixtures of an existing building and they don't want to replace them all with newer or different versions, we have developed the wall packs that will greatly mimic whatever they have there now in high pressure sodium or metal halides. 3 different sizes to mimic small, medium, and large wall packs that RAB has been making for many, many years. So in the back, but what we have done is we've redesigned the interior guts. So you're not taking an LED lamp, putting it into the old style fixture, and not getting the efficiency. Because RAB has redesigned this and done the interior with the LED elements. These are all DLC approved for the rebates, and these also carry our famous 5-year warranty. So again, we have up to a 110 watt in the bigger versions, which will replace your 400 watt metal halide, and our smaller ones in 30 watts will replace a 70 watt or 100 watt metal halide fixture. These things all have a 100,000 hour lifespan to them, and they again have the full 5-year warranty. With this version, we also have it available in 120 through 277 as a standard, or you can order it in a 480 volt version. Great for commercial applications. Moving on, we also have tall pack fixtures, and the tall pack fixtures are made to replace the 70 watt 50 watt high pressure sodium tall packs that have been around for many, many years. Additional ones with the photo cell built into it. We have these available in a couple of different wattages. We have a 12 watt, 25 watt, and a 40 watt. The 40 watt will replace a 100 watt metal halide. High pressure sodium would be a 70 watt. So again, a nice replacement. Again, the LEDs are not going to make the lens turn yellow, as you've seen many, many years of the high-pressure sodiums and the metal halides. The lenses on them get yellowed, greatly decreasing the amount of light that comes out of them. 100,000 hour lifespan to them. We have these available in a 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 Kelvin. These are available in 120 through 277 volts. And don't get worried that you're missing any of the points that I'm getting out. At the end, Taylor has an actual PDF that she can send to you with all of the products and all the information on each one of the products that we're going over. Again, these are DLC approved, so you can get rebates from any qualifying sales that you're out there making. So that's pretty much our presentation for the outside fixtures. Now what we've done is, as you can see in the bottom right-hand corner, we've gone into RAB Outdoor, separate division called RAB Indoor Lighting. And what we've done for your indoor fixtures is we've seen what the fixtures are that some of the competition has had. And again, we've made very, very competitive pricing for you without sacrificing any of the quality that you've come to see over the many years with the RAB products. We have a very nice, economical water and dust-proof fixture, which we call the Seal. It has stainless steel clips, fiberglass body, non-aluminum acrylic lens. We make a 4-foot version, and they give you a full 8-foot version, which is, of course, twice as big as the one here. So these fixtures are also available in a 120 through 277 volt, and we have the Kelvin colors available, 4,000 and 5,000 Kelvin color on this. This is a 50,000 hour lifespan fixture, and it has our 5-year limited warranty on this also. And because it's so efficient, it still has the DLC rating to it and qualifies for any rebates. Where these might be a real good application is in an industrial application where they could get wet, or if they need to be washed down in a clean environment that needs to be washed at the end of the day. Right underneath a canopy outside, because again, this can get wet. It's not going to affect the fixture. Great in passageways or hallways where it may get banged by somebody coming through or a workman coming through with a ladder or something. It's not rated as a vandal-proof fixture, but you can see that it is a very, very sturdy lens and has a lot of give to it. The 4-foot version is now available in a 25 watt, and that's equivalent to probably about 2 32-watt T8 lamps. We have a 4-footer and a 50 watt, which has been out for a while, and that's equal to 4 F32 lamps or a couple of F54 T5 HO lamps in case you need a little bit more of a push on light. And then we have our 100 watt in the 8-foot version, which is equal to 4 F96 T12 or T8 lamps. So very, very nice fixture to greatly reduce the maintenance and again to reduce your energy consumption. And a lot of offices have been asking for just a little bit different than to the traditional style of a trougher fixture. So what RAB's come out with is our center basket squish fixtures. These fixtures have a very easy lens. We don't have two kinds of tools to come out. You can see the lens comes here. You have very nicely spaced LED. You see here, the lens comes back in and pops right back in. So again, very, very easy to keep it clean, and it seals so bugs are going to have a hard time getting into it. It has integral clips here on the end, so they will fit right onto your T-bar, making it very easy for your contractors to install them. We have a couple different versions of these. We have this, which is a 2x2, of course. This is a fixture that is available on a 19 watt and a 29 watt. 29 watts will replace 3 F17 T8s or 2 U-bend fluorescent lamps. And then we have a 2x4 version, which is available on a 39 watt and a 49 watt to replace 3 F32 T8 lamps or 2 F32 T8 lamps. What's nice about these is that these are IC rated, very shallow, so you can put these up into a plenum ceiling and actually have the fixture come in contact with the insulation. These are available in versions that will give you long maintenance, 100,000 hours, DLC approved, and these things have a 5-year limited warranty. These can be either recessed mounts, of course. We have a pendant kit. We have a surface mounting kit, and we can actually put these up into a sheetrock. We also have sheetrock. So pretty much any kind of application that will go into is a very nice fixture for an office setting. Also with RAB Indoor, we, as a lot of people have very nice flat panel LED fixtures. The flat panels work a little bit differently. They're actually edge lit, which means that the LEDs are here on the sides, throwing the light across the face, making this a very seamless, very even look. Many people look up at this and they'll say it looks very much like a skylight would look on a well-lit day, because you don't see any of the LEDs, you don't see any of the rays on here. These are, again, as you can see here, very, very low profile, so they'll fit very, very nicely into ceilings where you may have lines coming across.
Careful sliding it on the table. It's loud.
Sorry, everybody. So, Better. Good. Okay. These also have the integrated clips, so it makes it very easy for the installation. Again, this we have in 3 different versions. We have a 1x4, we have a 2x2, and we have a 2x4. And they range from 50 watts in the 2x4, which will replace your standard 4-light 2x4 troffer, and then we have the 1x4 and a 40 watt, and we have the 2x2 and a 40 watt as the higher versions, and then we go down from there. We've made these very easy to blend into any kind of interior because we have them in a 3000, 3500, 4000, and a 5000 Kelvin degree color. Again, these are DLC approved, and unlike most of our competitors with the lesser expensive fixtures, these actually carry our 5-year no compromise warranty. Anything goes wrong, RAB will replace it, no questions asked. 60,000 hour lifespan. We can actually make these up with our RAB controls, and we can also have these installed with an emergency battery backup at the factory, make it much easier for your contractors to do the installation on site. So that's our introduction. Very nice flat panel fixtures that we have for you. Very, very competitive pricing to others out in the marketplace. And then from there we go to the traditional style replacements. These are going to mimic the traditional troffers with a prismatic lens. These will actually have pieces in here with the LEDs, so they can more likely blend in to what people are used to seeing. So that's how this is made. So we have the LEDs here where the traditional ballast would be, is now where we put our driver, and then we have more LEDs here. So it would be just like looking at a standard fluorescent fixture, but with the LED arrays in there. These fixtures are available on a 2x2. They're available on a 2x4. We have them both sizes in a 50 watt and a 37 watt. So we can replace anything from a 4-light F32 T8 all the way down to a 2-light. Again, these are 100,000 hour lifespan, and these all come with the RAB no compromise 5-year warranty. These are available only in a 4000 Kelvin color. Okay. So from here now we go to our more industrial pieces, our high bay offerings for you. And the first one that I will show you was actually one that I like to sell very nicely because it's very energy efficient, simple to install. It's called our RAB fixture. These have a 5-year warranty to them. Down very gently. And we make these in different versions. We have a 260 watt, I had to check my notes, 260 watt version of this, which will replace fixtures mounted up to 50 feet high. And we go all the way down to a 90 watt version, which will be great, suitable for ceilings 15 feet, 18 feet, 20 feet. So we really cover the whole gamut of different kinds of situations that you would have in a warehouse or an industrial application where they have high bays. Again, the 260 is rated for 50,000 hour lifespan, and it holds up very, very nicely to all the heat that would be all the way up top. These are available in a 4000 and 5000 degree Kelvin, and again, they have a DLC rating on them, so they qualify for any rebates that are available from the different utility companies. Ease of installation, fixtures come equipped with V-hooks that you can put into the box here, and jack chains, so you can put a beam clamp and hang them very easily and your contractors have ease of installation, they can either back mount or they can come into the sides with them. These are available in standard 120 to 277 volts, and you can order this as a separate 480 volt version. And for people that may want to be a little bit more creative, we have our hay-based series of fixtures, which allows you to have just a plain piece here with the LEDs. I would typically suggest this for very high ceilings because the light comes out and there tends to be a little bit of glare coming out of these fixtures without any kind of lens. The fixture comes with a hook for very easy installation. So once this is ordered as a basic component part, we have different versions of lenses. We have metal lenses, and as you can see up on the screen, we have acrylic lenses, different heights, different sizes. So again, these come very easily, and they flip right on. And ceilings installation with the different lenses allow you to have very much of a control over where the light goes. We also have bottom lenses to allow for some uplighting into the fixtures. These are available in a 100 watt, a 130 watt, 150 watt, and 180 watt. The 180 watt up 30 feet will replace a 400 watt metal halide fixture. So again, great energy savings, 5-year warranty on these fixtures, and 100,000 hour lifespan. This fixture that I just showed you is actually very good for high heat applications, and it's made to run 24 hours a day. So moving on from our hay bay fixture, we now have our wraparound fixtures. Typical 2-foot and 4-foot fixtures. These are made to replace your standard fluorescent wraparound fixtures, but with a nicer, more updated version of a lens. Very soft color that comes through it, very even kind of lighting pattern. These are available to be butted together, so a 2-foot and a 4-foot can go on to make a 6-foot. You can make any kind of combination, 8 feet, 10 feet, and because they have knockouts in the end, you can have a seamless run of a fixture. These are available in a 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, and we also have this as a 5,000 degree Kelvin color. So a lot of different versions. We have a 50 watt and a 36 watt and a 4-foot version, and they'll replace a 2 and 3 light F32T8 fluorescent lamp. And our 2-foot version comes 25 watt and 18 watt to replace 1 or 2 F32T8 lamps as well. So 5-year warranty on these things. The efficacy is great enough that these do qualify for rebates, as these are all DLC approved fixtures. You can surface mount this fixture very nicely to your box. You can chain hang it with the available slots in the back of the fixture, and you can also pendant mount it right to the hole right in the center of the box. So different mounting options, different applications, all one fixture. Very nicely, very competitively priced. So again, please check your Cooper website for the pricing on this fixture. Now getting a little bit more into the decorative market, RAB has entered a couple of nice little fixtures here. Again, our skeet fixtures, and we can offer these to you, a very nice little fixture here, very sleek, slim profile, nice lens on here which shields the LEDs which are inside here. So you have 2 arrays 2 rows, I should say, of arrays of LEDs, so you get a nice even pattern of lighting. Fixture goes up, mounts very easily right into a round box. Lens comes back, tightens, and the reason why I took that off and showed you is because not only is it great for ceiling, but you can also wall mount this. We have these fixtures available a little bit more decorative version with a beautiful little stainless steel ring. So as you see the fixture, again, it becomes a little bit more decorative. It means you can use it in the kitchen, you can use it in different commercial applications, in retail lighting, because it's a very nice design to it. Again, same kind of lens. It can go on the wall. It can go up on the ceiling. These, a good application would be a hallway in a hotel or motel. Great in closets. They're great in little sink areas that you may have in a commercial building. Great down the center of hallways in commercial buildings. The style of fixture. And these fixtures we made with more interior colors, 2700, 3000, 3500, and 4000 Kelvin. We make them in an 8-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, and then we make a bigger one in a 21-inch. So depending on the light needs that you have, we have fixtures to fill those needs. Okay. These fixtures are all Energy Star approved, so in case your utilities offer any rebates, these do qualify for rebates because of the Energy Star. And these fixtures carry the RAB 5-year no compromise warranty. And the last item that we're going to show you today is our version of a surface-mounted fixture called the Calic. This fixture doesn't need a recessed can. You can just mount this, as you can see here, right into a recessed round fixture box made to go in, twist up, and make your connection. This is shallow enough to be ADA approved for wall mounting, so you can put it up as a wall mounted fixture also. Very easy installation, very quick installation, and again, hallways, kitchen, bedrooms, any place that you may want to put a recessed light, these might do a trick for you. They come in a 4-inch and a 6-inch version, and the 6-inch will give you about a 60-watt A-lamp equivalency, and the smaller 4-inch will give you about a 40-watt lamp or so replacement. These come in 2700 degree and 3000 degree Kelvin colors. So 50,000 hours of life, 5-year, no compromise warranty from RAB, and these again are Energy Star listed, so you can get these for any kind of applications where you're looking to put in a fixture that qualifies for rebates. And that pretty much sums up. We're out of time, and I thank everybody for logging into our webinar, and I appreciate your help very much. If you have any questions, the beginning of the slide had my card with all of my contact information. Again, thank you very much for thinking of RAB products and statement sales. Have a really nice rest of the day.